Hello everyone, let's dive into the ATMPC 10-inch Android 12 tablet. This tablet aims to deliver a solid experience without breaking the bank. First impressions are decent. The 10-inch display is a 1280 by 800 IPS panel. The colors are reasonably vibrant, and the viewing angles are acceptable for everyday use. It's perfectly adequate for browsing the web, watching videos, and reading ebooks. Under the hood, it's powered by a quad-core processor paired with 6 GB of RAM, which is technically 2 GB with 4 GB expandable. This configuration allows for smooth multitasking and app performance. Navigating the Android 12 interface feels responsive, and it handles most common tasks without significant lag. Storage-wise, you get 64 GB on board, which can be expanded up to 512 GB via TF card. This is great for storing photos, videos, and other files. The ATMPC tablet also features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 is a welcome addition, providing faster and more stable wireless connectivity. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures seamless pairing with wireless headphones, speakers, and other accessories. The tablet has a 6,000 mAh battery, which provides a decent battery life. The manufacturer claims up to 15 days of standby time or 6 hours of continuous use. In real-world usage, you can expect to get a full day of moderate use on a single charge. It also features a dual-camera setup with a 2MP front-facing camera and a 5MP rear camera. The camera quality is adequate for basic video calls and casual snapshots. The ATMPC tablet comes with Android 12 pre-installed and is GMS certified, meaning you have full access to the Google Play Store and all its apps and services. Overall, the ATMPC 10-inch Android 12 tablet is a solid, budget-friendly option for those looking for an affordable and functional device for everyday use. It offers a decent display, smooth performance, ample storage, and good connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.